know, I love that. I love that music. My little theme song. I got it from the YouTube library. I just enjoy it. It's called Waltz in Low Light. I really enjoy it.
Oh yeah.
Well, it's copyright free. You know, I don't have no copyright infringement issues. YouTube has a
Yeah,
library.
I thought you made it.
Oh yeah, right. It's just from the YouTube library. That's my signature song now. All right, Texas Math Mundo audience, we're live streaming, and we had an incredible weekend. The region tournament was this past weekend, and there was a lot of exciting action. A lot of rivalries unfolded. I have the great pleasure of having a legendary coach co-host this episode with me, Peter Fuentes. Can you say hi to the audience, please?
Hello, I'm Peter Fuentes. Glad to be here.
Legendary coach, a coach of many state champions, such great passion, such great expertise, and it's such a wonderful thing to have, Peter with me, man. I really appreciate you, Peter. I hope you're a permanent part of this, man.
I enjoy doing these shows with you, so.
Oh, thank you, buddy. Thank you, buddy. Andy would be here, but Andy Spear, the coach of Highland Parks, he just couldn't make it. He had some other obligations. And so he's also a really, really great legendary coach that we like to have with us occasionally. But hopefully next time he'll be able to join us. All right. So, Region 2022 results. Who punched their ticket to state? We're going to see today who is state bound. We're going to highlight some great performances. But as always, before we get started, this is a live stream. So this is all about interaction, guys. I need you to hop onto that live chat, and I need you to say hi, represent, state your city, or if you're a high school student, state your school. Show some pride, chime in, and make some good positive comments. Now, I'm going to be checking the live chat, and I'll be checking the Discord. But this is the way we're going to do it, Pete. We're going to go ahead and do 1A and 2A results, and then I'll break, check the chat, and check the Discord. And then we'll do 3A and 4A results, take a break, check the chat and then the Discord, and then 5A and 6A at the end. So people will call in during that segment. So right now we're going to do 1A and 2A. So if anybody wants to call in or chime in, that's the best thing. Real quick, we got some initial action on that chat. All right, Asian boss. All right. We got my favorite YouTuber. All right, Asian boss. I appreciate that. Hey, I got a student saying hi, Mr. Cantu. I love Texas math. Lanisa Hernandez. That's one of my favorite students. All right. They know how to pass my class. Get in and say something positive on my live stream. That's
bonus
the way
points.
you pass my class, people.
Bonus points.
Bonus points all the way, guys. Bonus points. All right, guys. Are you ready to, any initial impressions about the region results, Peter?
Oh, man. There's a lot of, it's a month between district and regionals, so of course you're going to get a lot of movement. So there are some surprising scores. So
it was great, man. It was great. It was a nail biter. Some of those wild cards were very close, man. So I look forward to talking about that. Hey, just so everybody knows, the weather's been bad around here. Let's cross our fingers that the internet works and that we don't have any disruptions. Let's cross our fingers so we can have a smooth show. All right, you ready for the presentations?
Let's do it.
All right, so let me get to my presentation monitor. And we got region results. So let's start with 1A. We're going to do in the order that we usually take them in tournaments. 1A number sense. All right, so 1A number sense. We have in first place Blake Stewart with a score of 138 from Garden City. Arthur Sudant, second place from Rankin High School. Third place, Theron Stroud from UT Tyler University Academy in Tyler. Fourth place, Mason Walker from Garden City. And we got fifth place from Jonesboro High School, Christopher Maxwell. I believe he's the defending champion, actually. And sixth place and seventh place from Nazareth, Cameron Mask and Luke Schultz. All right, so those are our top six in the state, the ones that look strong. Let's go ahead and scroll down to the team for number sense in 1A.
Looks like Garden City.
Garden City, and they look actually very dominant. They are the clear favorite heading to state. Clear favorite. They punched their ticket to state. We got in the same region. Nazareth gets no wild card. Nazareth gets one, so they get to show up at state. We got Rankin from Region 2, Pretty from Region 3, and UT Tyler from Region 4. So that's good. State.
That's good. You got the best 5 teams in 1A all going to state.
Absolutely. Best 5 teams. And the individuals punching themselves at state. Good luck, guys. Congratulations. Let's go to calculator. 1A calculator. So 1A calculator, John Dong. Where have I seen that name? The Nippa High School. First place, punching his ticket to state and establishing his dominance, but barely, by 1 point over Vanessa Dominguez from Irion. Wow, that was close. Ashley Taylor from Newcastle comes in 3rd place. Jackson Wyatt from Rankin, 4th place individual. Lily Simper from Multan. And Alondra Soto, 6th place from Hartley. Also in 7th place from Hartley, Edgar Pirianes. So these guys punching their ticket to state. If we look at the team score from Calculator 1A.
Iron.
Rankin takes 1st place, 602 to find. But these are tight scores. Hartley, not far behind at 595 team score from Region 1. Region 4, Multan, 585. And Irion makes it as wild card from Region 2. And Newcastle from Region 3. And they're all within shouting distance of each other. So that's a tight little bunching right there for Region 1 calculator. Conference 1 calculator.
Once again, you got the top 5 teams all going to state. So that's good.
Top 5 teams, man. Absolutely, top 5 teams. And so you do some region guy. They don't get to be the odd man out. I've been there before.
Yep.
I've been there before.
But those scores are close. It could flop.
Yes, that one there's no clear-cut favorite. So, all right, mathematics 1A. John Dong from Nippa High School, and that's with quite a distance. Hey, the Cliff McCurdy era. It's quite clear that these tests are going to be challenging and tough, just the way you like them, Peter Fuentes.
Oh yeah, I like Don Scow's math test back from in the 90s.
Yeah.
His tests were tough to break 300.
Well, it looks like we're back to that era with Cliff McCurdy, man. They're tough, just the way you like them, Peter. According to you, it separates people.
Oh yeah, you get separation. You'll see it later.
All right. 2nd place, Samuel Odaberry from Blackwell High School. 3rd place, Darren Stroud, UT Tyler. 4th place, Darius Terbush from Groom High School. 5th place, Connor Wool from Irion. 6th place, Shay Grooms from Baird High School. And Christopher Maxwell, Jonesboro, coming in 7th place. All right, Christopher Maxwell. Let's go down to... I think he's a defending state champion, Christopher Maxwell. He's in the mix again this year.
You got a lot of individuals there.
Yes. All right, for team, Nippa, the clear-cut favorite going into state. Clear-cut. With a 288, almost 100-point lead over 2nd place, Irion. But this is the case where the top 5 teams don't go to state. Multan got a 168. UT Tyler is the 3rd place school in their region. So they get
Region 4.
Even though they have a top 5 score, they got shut out of state. Oh well, UT Tyler, and it was close. Newcastle comes in 5th place and punches their ticket to state with a 164 team score. And these are some pretty tough-looking team scores here.
Yeah, it's pretty tight for 2nd.
All right, that was math, and finally we close out region conference 1A with science. Let's see what we got in science. I like science because different people sometimes make a name for themselves. In 1st place by a good solid amount is Brandon Passman, clearly the clear-cut favorite heading into state from Guthrie. Darren Stroud, 2nd place from UT Tyler University Academy, so at least he gets to make the trip to state. Brianna Ackley from Avery in 3rd place. Cooper Mao from Fayetteville High School. In 4th place, John Dong does science too from Nippa. And sixth place from Fruitvale, Mason Smith. All right, let's take a look at these science team scores. Science, and we're getting to the cream of the crop here, man. This is the cream of the crop now, starting to separate themselves. And we got first place team by a handy margin, Guthrie. So Guthrie's the clear favorite heading into science from 1A. UT Tyler with the 222. Avery High School with the 154. All of them first place in Region 1, Region 4, Region 3 respectively. Region 3 earns wild card. Fruitvale. Wild card to state in science. Fayetteville in 5th place, but they got locked out. And so there we go. There goes our teams. Oh, but
there's a tie.
Region 2.
There's a tie. Region 3 and Region 4.
Region 3 and Region 4.
150, 150.
Hey, you're right.
I wonder if they went to the 4th. They probably broke it with the 4th man.
So does that mean that Fruitvale gets to go?
I don't know. We got to go back and see.
I don't know what the tiebreaker rules are for a team in science.
I'm not sure. I know within the region, it would be the 4th score. But if it's for wild card, I don't know if they just take them both or what.
Oh, man, that's a case where we have to break out the Constitution. Check out what the Constitution says. Wow.
It's probably going to be that 4th score.
Hey, but we go all around Region 2. Region 2, Water Valley gets their ticket to state. Even though they were 13th place overall, they're the region champions. Water
there
Valley.
You go. Well, when he compiles these scores, he always goes 1A. I mean, Region 1, Region 2, Region 3, and 4. So even though Fruitvale is ahead of Fayetteville, it could be the other way around.
Because it's Region 3 instead of 4.
Correct. 3 comes
before 4. I know. Well, it'll be interesting. I got to break out the rule book on that one. We have to break out the rule book.
Yeah, because those scores are pretty tight.
Yes. Although Guthrie is the clear favorite heading into science. Well, there we have it. Region 1. I mean, Conference 1. What do you take away from Conference 1? 1A.
It'd be hard to beat in calculator. Well, calculator was closer, but in math, that's a good math score.
And he's a defending champion. Champion. So, hey, I'm hoping the degrees of separations, they say we're no more than 6 degrees separation. I'm hoping somebody knows who knows John Dong. Tells him Texas Math Mundo wants to put him on his show, man. So somebody... Are
you gonna be at the state meet?
I am going to go to state, so maybe I'll get a chance to talk to him personally. That's the plan.
That's the plan.
To talk to him personally. So, 1A. Anything else from 1A?
That's about it.
All right.
Pretty close.
City looks strong in number sense. Christopher Maxwell trying to defend his state championship. Let's see how that goes. It should be a lot of fun. All right. We're going to go to Conference 2A results, and then I'll check the live chat, and then I'll check the Discord. So, 2A number sense. 2A number sense.
Nicholas Ellison,
man. It's not even, it's like by 100 points almost. From Woodsboro. Second place, Ryan Hellman from Lindsay. Third place, Hall Hess from Munster. Fourth place, Jason Keith from Lindsay. Fifth place, Ella Babs from Groover High School. And sixth place, Corey Metzler from Lindsay. And from the same school in seventh place, Colton Pop. But Nicholas Ellison, surely the class of 2A.
It's going to be hard to beat him.
Punching his ticket to state, man. He needs to have a first-class ticket to state. He needs to ride first class. All right, team-wise, Lindsay High School takes the team, by a handy margin against Woodsboro. So,
yeah, Lindsay's strong. They have 3 solid scores. So
Lindsay overcoming the Nicholas Ellison powerful score. So Lindsay, first place, the favorite going into state. Woodsboro, second place, but first in region. Olney wins the wild card from Region 2. Olney. Munster gets shut out, being the third place regional score. Grover from Region 1 punches their ticket to state, and San Augustine from Region 3 punches their ticket to state. So there you go. But clearly, It's the Lindsay show, and possibly Woodsboro might make some headways if Nicholas Ellison gets particularly crazy at state. You
Yeah, you
know,
never know. It could happen.
it could happen. You got to play the game. All right, so that was 2A number sense. 2A calculator. 2A calculator. Nicholas Ellison, man, this is tight. It was tight during district. Now it's this Ty Schaller and Sabine Pass, man. This Ty Schaller guy is right on his heels at every turn. At every turn, he's right on Nick Ellison's heels. So Ty Schaller punches his ticket to state. Joel DeVille, another name I'm calling pretty often. I remember his name from the district once.
Joel DeVille.
From San Augustine. Erica Enders from Munster. Munster. I gotta know how to pronounce his name. Munster.
I think it's Munster.
Munster.
Or it could be.
Okay, we'll go for Munster for now. Victor Johnson, Sabine Pass, and 6th and 7th place both from Lindsay. We got Dhruv Patel and Kirtan Patel. All right. So all of these guys punching their ticket to state. Let's take a look at the team score. And this is a calculator. Calculator.
Yeah, those top 3 individuals have been battling it out all year long. So
Ellison, Joel DeVille, and Ty Schaller, man. That's going to be a tight racehorse right there. Let's see it. A punch in here and there can make all the difference.
Exactly.
So team is Sabine Pass, but within the eyesight is Lindsay with 2nd place team. Woodsboro gets the wild card team with a 673, not so far behind. Plains High School from Region 1 punches their ticket to state, and Latexo in calculator punching their ticket to state. All right, that's our top 5 teams. Top 5 teams going to state. All right, so that was calculator. So now for 2A mathematics. So 2A mathematics. Let's take a look.
Nicholas Ellison.
Quite handily though. This one's a little more handily. From Woodsboro. We need to get him a first-class ticket to state. Ty Schaller, 2nd place from Sabine Pass with a 200, and Joel DeVille, same 3 names, from San Augustine with a 176. And then we got a load of Latexo. We got Latexo. 4 out of the next 5 spots. Ava Gereltz, Assad Mohammed, Carter Tucker, all from Latexo, top 6. Then we got Jace Keith from Lindsay, and Assad Hasnain from Latexo. So congratulations, guys, punching their ticket to state. And let's take a look at the team. Did Latexo take team?
I think they did.
I remember Woodsboro was a little bit close coming out of district. Yeah, Latexo with a 398, and Woodsboro, you know, maybe 40 points behind or so. Woodsboro High School is not too far behind. It could be an upset in the making because I think Latexo has 9 years straight of being a state champion.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Audrey Cravens. And I think it's the Latexo Tigers, if I remember correctly. Woodsboro, Sabine High School gets wild card out of Region 4. Olney gets out of Region 2 as champions. And St. Augustine and Plains get shut out because of the wild card was already owned by Sabine Pass. And we go to Plains High School from Region 1 as the region champion. Punches their ticket to state. All right, that was mathematics. And let's go to science. 2A science. So, 2A science. All right, Brandon Passman, pretty handily from Guthrie. I've called that guy's name before. So Brandon Passman from Guthrie. Deron Stroud, 2nd place from UT Tyler. Brianna this is 1A. I'm talking 1A. Hold on, somehow I got sent to 1A. I knew I'd called that guy's name before. Science. 2A science. Here we go. Jackson Blackman from Lindsay. 2nd place, Aiden Wolf from Tolar. 3rd place, Gillan Kraft from Grover. 4th place, Drew Patel from Lindsay. Nicholas Ellison breaking the top 5 from Woodsboro in science. And Callie Conyers, 6th place from Grover. All right, that's science. So let's take a look at the team. Lindsay in science, and they're a clear-cut favorite, over 100 points over Tolar, who was in the same region, but still they win the wild card. Grover, out of Region 1 champions, Grover. El Dorado gets shut out because the wild card was already won. Thorndale from Region 4 champions. Thorndale punches their ticket to state. And we travel down to the 10th team, Longview Chadwick, out of Region 3, punches their ticket to state. So there you go. Class 2A science. So what do we take from the Class 2A results?
That battle between Ty Schaller and Nicholas Ellison for calculator.
And Joel Deville is not too far behind.
He's in the mix too, so it'll be fun. And they're the best two in the state. Nicholas had the highest score in the whole state with a 320 in calculator.
Really?
Yeah, and Ty Schaller had the third highest with a 313. So.
Wow.
Not bad.
Some incredible scores in 2A. Let me go ahead and check out the chat like I said I would. Let's say, give me a second. Get that chat up there. See what we got in the chat. All right. Also, I got some of my students chiming in. Great. Naveed Ahmed from Elkins. All right, representing. Angie Martinez. What's up? PHS, Pasadena High School. A lot of my students representing here. I'm happy about that. Let's see. There he is. Naveed. All right. Eric Lee chiming in. Naveed. All right. Okay, cool. And let's see if we got anything on the Discord here. Let's see if we got anything on the Discord. Give me a second. And where's my Discord? Here we go. All right, so we got Doblado in the waiting room. He's waiting to see if anybody comes in. So that was 1A and 2A. 1A and 2A. So we're ready to go on to 3A and 4A?
Let's do it.
All right, 3A and 4A. Let me get to the presentation monitor. All right, 3A, 4A. Give me a second. Where's my presentation? Give me a quick second. Gotta find. There we go. All right. All right, so we got 3A. Let's start with 3A number sense. 3A number sense.
Sabine Gladewater.
Addison Langley, first place. Logan Sanders, not too far behind. Logan Sanders, I know he's a state champion in something. M. Davila from Lytle. Rosa Gaona from Sabine Gladewater. Keegan Hollemans from City View. And rounding out the top 6, Alyssa Waller from Sabine. You know, I'd like to have an all-girls show. I'd like Katia Villalba from Canutillo. Maybe these Sabine Gladewater girls. It'd be nice to have an all-girl top competitor show. So if anybody reaches out to me, I'd be interested. You know?
I know Addison, she's a junior, so she'll be around next year also.
Okay. Addison, Rosa, Alyssa. You know, I'd like to get Katia Villalba on here and any other powerful girl competitors, man. I've already interviewed Stacy Zhang and Alma Carrillo and some of them, so we got some powerful girls in the state.
Stacy's pretty good.
Stacy's out of control, man. And I say that admiringly. All right, team. Sabine Gladewater. And that's coached by Keith Taylor, right?
Right.
Keith Taylor, former state champion himself, man. Legendary coach. I need to get him on the show.
He's a good friend of the Highland Park coach, yes. Andy. He's a good friend of him.
Andy Spear, that's right. City View in second place, but a Region 1 champion City View. Region 3 champion New Waverly. All punching their ticket to state. Brock out of Region 1 wins wild card, punching their ticket to state. And then we go to Region 4 with Idea Quest College Prep from Edinburgh, punching their ticket to state. All right, guys. So that's Region 3 number sense. Let's go to Region 3 calculator. Region 3 calculator. Now this will be the Sabine show, I think, in calculator.
Oh yeah, they're one of the best in the state.
Yeah, Sabine. So Madeline Horton, another girl. I think it's a girl. There's a song about a guy named Sue, so I'm kind of hesitant to see if they're. You can't tell from a name always.
A boy named Sue.
Yeah, boy named Sue. So you can't always tell, but I'm guessing it might be. If not, it's a very tough boy, one of the two. So,
Yeah, I saw her on the TMSCA newsletter. She's a girl.
all right. Hey, there's a tie at 266. So it must have been to stadium geometry, maybe?
Possibly.
Or they're in different regions. Oh, they're in the same region. So Madeline Carter from the same school. They're all sharing the wealth. Sabine. Joshua Kelly breaking the Sabine lock in the top three. Joshua Kelly from Brock, showing he belongs. Rosa Gaona from Sabine. And fourth place, Canadian has Lainey Hood and Idalou with Logan Sanders. And Logan Sanders, you got some competition, man. You got some competition. And a bunch of
He
girls.
snuck in there. He got in there. He got third. So.
Hey, he's going to state. He gets a chance to defend whatever title. So, all right, 3A calculator team. Let's take a look.
Pretty sure it's Gladewater.
That Sabine girls team, man. I'd like to do a top competitor show with them. Sabine, first place, and it seems pretty handily, almost 100 points. So they're the clear-cut favorite. Sabine, Region 2 champions. Region 1 champ, Brock High School, punching their ticket to state. Winning the wild card is Jim Ned out of Region 1. Wild card, Jim Ned out of Region 1. Shutting out Denver City. And then we have the Region 3 champions, Rogers High School. And the Region 4 champions, Gateway High School. That is 3A calculator. All right. Some people got shut out because they're in some tough divisions here. All right, 3A calculator. Let's look at 3A math. 3A math. We're going to call out Logan Sanders' names?
I believe so.
But it was a tie with Madeline. Hey, she's not joking around, is she?
No, she's coming to play.
Wow. Logan Sanders and Madeline Horton, both with a 182. Rosa, I've called Rosa's name quite a bit. Third place, Benjamin D. Lindley from Brock. In fourth place, Eliza F. Roper from Sabine. In fifth place,
He's a junior.
Oh, really? Louis Gear from Basis Shivano in San Antonio rounds out the top 6. All right, these are elite people now, man. We're talking about elite kids. 3A math. Let's go to the team. 3A math, Sabine, man. Sabine's the clear-cut favorite in calculator. They're looking really good in math, and they're just looking strong over at Sabine Gladewater.
Oh, yeah.
Keith Taylor doing something right over there, man. And he has a summer camp. That's what Andy Spears said in the previous show. So
yeah.
We'll see.
Right. They work hard. They work real hard.
They work hard. Brock, the Region 1 champs, Brock. Region 4 champs, Basis Shivano High School from San Antonio. And the wild card from Region 1, Jim Ned. And we have to travel down to Region 3's Region 3 champion is Elkhart, punching their ticket to state.
Hey, Elkhart used to have some pretty dominant students in the past.
So there you go. That's the team score. And this was math. So let's round it out with 3A science. Let's take a look at 3A science.
Should be Gladewater there too.
Sabine Gladewater, Carl Fry. It's a different name though. Good. And then we got Drew Sims from Elysian Fields punching his ticket to state. Kristen Parson from Chisholm. Anil Patel from Skidmore Tynan. Isaac Nikolaev Stair from Basis Shivano. And rounding out the top 6 is Ethan Hogan from Jim Ned.
There you go. Right. More parity.
Yes, although the Carl Fry looks like a little bit ahead of the group. It's clear favorite. Carl Fry from Sabine. Let's take a look at the team in science. We got Sabine, 418, but Elysian Fields not too far behind at 398. Basis Shivano, but they're the wild card, but they still make it to state. Region 4 champion, Basis Shivano, punching their ticket to state. Region 1 champion, Jim Ned, punching their ticket to state. And finally, Region 3, Beaumont, Early College High School in Beaumont, punching their ticket to state. There you go. That's science. That's 3A. So what do we take away from 3A?
That Sabine Gladewater machine looks like it's unstoppable.
Keith Taylor, that's girl power over there for the most part. That's girl power. It's Keith Taylor. They're
Yeah,
looking good.
they have students in every grade level. So I mean, I know they have a couple freshmen, sophomores that are pretty good, but they can't. They don't make the team because their seniors are so stacked.
Well, that's nice. That's nice when you can just reload instead of having to rebuild. Yeah,
Yeah,
hey, Logan
they'll be
Sanders,
good.
man. Logan Sanders ain't out of it, man. Logan Sanders gonna come back strong, I imagine, from Idalou.
Yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. I mean, he's a returning state champion, so he's gonna put up a fight.
Yes, exactly. So that'd be an interesting 3A. Interesting 3A. All right, 4A. 4A number sense. Let's do this. What we got in 4A? Oops, I hit the mathematics tab by mistake. 4A number sense. Let's see what we got. 4A number sense. Stacy Zhang with a 268. Just getting by Vidit Tripathi from Argyle. Third place defending champion, Cooper Chambliss. I believe he's the defending champion.
Yes,
From
he is.
Salado. Ricardo Show in the mix at fourth place from Mission Collegiate. Andrew Mee from the School for Talented and Gifted in Dallas. And
He's a freshman.
Oh, Mee's
Andrew Mee.
freshman?
He's a freshman.
Really?
They're gonna get science engineering next year in their district, though.
Oh, wow. So that's going to be a tough district battle.
Oh yeah.
Because
Yeah.
they got a great coach over there at Science Engineering. What's his name? Newton? He's a great coach.
Josh.
Yeah.
Josh Newton. I'm not sure if he's still coaching them. I know he represents the school in some way,
Okay.
but I mean, every year they have kids. So
Yeah. And then rounding out the top six from Salado, Luke Dragala. So this is 4A number sense. Let's take a look at the team. First place, Argyle. Seems like a pretty handy, but Salado's, within shouting distance. Second place team. So Region 1 champion, Argyle. Region 3 champion, Salado. Region 2 champion, Spring Hill. Region 4 champion, Port Lavaca Calhoun. All punching their ticket to state. And the wild card from Region 4, Salinas STEM Early College High School from La Jolla. Going to state. Congratulations. So that's Region 4, number sense. Let's see Region 4, calculator. Class 4, classification 4, calculator, my bad. Conference 4A. Marco Tan with a 299. Boy, he looks good. From Big Spring High School. Aston Thomas from Spring Hill. Very, very close. James Reagan from Argyle High School. Boy, there's some power names up there. Ricardo Ochoa, and actually tied James Reagan from Mission Collegiate. Ricardo Ochoa in the mix. Fifth place, Ashton Fawcett from Salado. And then Argyle has 6th, 7th, and 8th place with Vidit Tripathi, Jasmine Ball, and Caroline Deffenball. All right.
yeah, Caroline's a sophomore.
Caroline's a sophomore?
Yes.
Wow. They're on the way up. Argyle's one of those other powerhouse schools.
Yeah, they just reload.
They're powerhouse schools. So, 8:15, Argyle. Region 1 champions, punching their ticket to state. Salado, Region 3 champions. Mission Collegiate, Region 4 champions. Spring Hill, Region 2 champions. And winning the wild card from Region 1 is Big Spring. Marco Tan. Helping that out. So that's Calculator 4A. That's a battle right there. Calculator 4A. Marco Tan, Ashton Thomas, James Reagan, Ricardo Ochoa. Man, there's some names there. 4A Math. Let's look at 4A Math. So 4A Mathematics. Oh, they took me to 3A. Let me get a 4A Mathematics. All right. A tie. Vidit Tripathi from Argyle and Ashton Thomas from Spring Hill. And not too far from them, James Reagan and Marco Tan in the mix, and Stacy Zhang in the mix. So we got Vidit Tripathi from Argyle, Ashton Thomas from Spring Hill, James Reagan from Argyle, Marco Tan from Big Spring, Stacy Zhang from Calhoun, and 6th place Eli Valentino from Argyle. Wow, Ricker Nuaf Riaz from School for Talented and Gifted, and Ricardo Ochoa up there from Mission Collegiate. So, wow. So it's a tight one. Let's look at the team for mathematics 4A mathematics team goes to
Yeah.
Argyle, and that's a pretty handy victory. Region 1
Yep.
champions Argyle. Region 4 champions Calhoun. Region 2 champions Spring Hill. So the top 3 punching their ticket to state. Wild card. Wild card goes to School for Talented and Gifted out of Region 2. And out of Region 3, Salado High School. The Salado High School champions going to state. All right. Good stuff. This is mathematics. Class 4A. And finally, let's look at science. Class 4A. Science 4A. Science 4A. Let's see what we got. No, that it took me to 3A again. Give me a second. Science 4A. 4A Science. All right. Danny Roberts from Argyle High School. Nathan Beard, second place from Sunnyvale High School. Ryan Makarith, third place from Argyle High School. Vendant Tapiavala from the School for Talent and Gifted in Dallas comes in fourth. Troy Dane from Lindale in fifth. And rounding out the top 6 is Lohith Dudhayala from the School for Talented and Gifted in Dallas, sixth place. All right, 240. Danny Roberts looks like the favorite, but I've heard that name Nathan Beard several times.
Yeah, I've heard that one too. It looks like Argyle probably one team there.
Yep, by 90 points. So Argyle High School, first place. Region 1 champions, Argyle High School. Region 2 champions, School for Talented and Gifted. And those two punched their ticket to state. The wild card from Region 2, Sunnyvale High School, wild card. Lindale gets shut out as a third place team in their region. And Region 3 champion, Hardin Jefferson. Region 3 champion, Region 4 champion, Wimberley High School, all going to state. So
hey, we know somebody from Hardin Jefferson.
Hey, we do know Monroe, I believe, on the Discord.
Monreal.
Yeah, Monreal. That's right, on the Discord.
Landon. I think it's Landon.
Monreal. He's been a real good help to me. He sends me the results out there in East Texas when they have tournaments and I can't get the results. He's been a real help.
Yeah,
Right, so
he enjoys the oil. It looks like that calculator test is pretty tough. I mean, Marco's broken 300 on pretty much every test, and he got a 299 on this past Saturday. So, math, everyone's bunched up at the top in math. So it could be anybody's day at state. So you got some real races in this in 4A. It's gonna be tight.
Argyle, man. Argyle is just so tough, man.
They're stacked. They have solid second, third man, so they're going to be hard to beat. Marco Tan's doing his best. He almost got his math team through. They're close on the wild card for math, but they got through, I believe, on calculator. So, I mean, I don't see anybody beating Argyle. So the race is for second.
That's what it looks like. How about individually? Marco Tan?
It's going to be hard to beat Marco Tan in calculator. Math, it could be anybody. Even Stacy. Stacy could win math if she turns it on. I mean, she looks pretty strong for numbers. Yeah, and she has the top number sense score going into state. So, I mean, if I was her, I'd practice more math and make sure to get that one too.
Stacy Zhang. Yeah, there's some power there. There's some power in 4A.
Yep.
All right. Let's take a look at that chat ticker. We're finished, so let's take a look at that chat ticker. Let's take a look. We got, hey, Marilio, awesome, Professor. Thank you for the shout out. What's up, Mr. Cantu from 5th period? Hey, a lot of my kids, they heard I was a live streaming today, so they know how to get on my good side. State bound in number sense. Mr. McNodal, Mr. Nodal. I forgot who that is in our I forget the real name.
That's Landon Monroe.
Oh, that's Landon Monroe. All right, he's state bound then.
Yeah.
Congratulations, Landon Monreal. All right, buddy. Good job.
Yeah, because it's in Nodal. No, that's Landon backwards. Mr. Landon.
Let's take a look at that Discord.
Yeah, I had one thing to add. Argyle's calculator team score was an 815. That was highest in the state.
Really?
Yes, sir.
Wow. Hey, I got some people up here. I got Nava and Sexy Beast. Let's see what they got to say about 3A and 4A scores. So let's try this out. Last time it didn't go so well, but now,
There's a Cherryland team.
all right.
Now, Nava and Sexy Beast is Hoon.
Oh, there's Cherryland? Hey,
Sir.
Nava, can you speak?
Hello?
You there?
Yes.
Oh, I can hear you, buddy. I can hear you. You're on live. So who am I speaking to, Nava?
Hello.
What school you from?
From Sherryland High School.
All
in
right. What's your
High
name?
Bay. Victor Nava.
Victor Nava. Okay, what do you got to say about those results from 4A?
Yeah, they're pretty good.
crazy.
Argyle, I know that Argyle's moving up to 5A next year, so they're gonna be some competition next year.
Yes. Yes. So this is Victor Nava from Sherryland, right?
Yes.
The Rattlers.
Yes.
All right. All right. All right. And who's Nava? Who's Sexy Beast?
I'm from Sherryland too.
Hey, y'all can show your camera if you'd like. So what's your name?
No.
My name's Calhoun Cho.
Oh, Calhoun Show. All right, all right. I knew you was Asian boss. All right, cool, cool. So what's your comments about the 4A results?
It's interesting. Argyle, they gotta watch out next year, cause we're about to go crazy.
Oh, really? What grade are you in?
We're all in 11th grade.
Really?
Yes, sir.
So Sherryland, the Rattlers, going to come strong next year.
Yep.
Yes.
Sir,
Hey, gentlemen, do you want to show your camera, or are y'all too shy?
we're all
I don't have a camera. I don't have a camera.
Just woke up.
Oh my God! Yeah, that hair is not combed. That hair is not combed. I understand. Not everybody can look as
Yeah.
nice as me all the time. You know.
Yes, sir.
Johan, what do you
Yes?
got to say?
I just want to say, good luck to like. I just joined. Like, what's going on?
You're on the Discord on our live stream. Do you want to say anything about the results?
I mean, they're interesting, and definitely.
Hey, Sherryland Rattlers, right?
Yes.
Sir.
Are y'all going to state?
Yes.
Sir.
Wild card or champions?
Wild card.
Hey, let's do a team interview. That way you can get yourself pretty. You can comb your hair, take a shower. Let's get a team interview. Let's go ahead and do this. What do y'all say? Come on, I got you right here, right now. Let's do a team interview with the Sherryland Rattlers. Let's do it. What do you say?
Hey, Hoon.
Hey, who show? What do you say? What do you say? You're the leader of that group, score-wise, anyways.
It depends on our teammates if they want to do it.
All right,
Hey,
everybody,
number
talk
4.
over. Talk it over. Make sure y'all get your haircuts this week. Let's get on here and let's have a nice little show and see what the Cherryland Rattler team's all about.
Yes, sir.
Hey, y'all want to add anything else before we go to the 5A and 6A results?
Hey, sir, we're actually like huge fans of you, and we hope to see you at state.
Yeah,
I'm
we
gonna
hope to
be
see
there.
you. Say.
I'm gonna be there. I hope to see you all on a live interview before that. But I'm definitely. Hey, I really appreciate those words. It makes me feel good, man. Thank you very much, man. I appreciate that, King Hill Show. Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Hey, if y'all want to stay on, we're about to go through the 5A and 6A results.
So we're about to see your name, sir.
Yeah, let's go.
All right. So, hey, wait up. I got Landon Morial. Let me go to Landon. I'm gonna go to Landon Morial's room. Gentlemen, if y'all want to hold on, y'all can. Landon Monreal's in my live room number 2. So let me see what he's got to say. All right.
Okay.
Bye, sir.
Give me a second. Where is he? Where is he? Landon Monreal. Let me join. Hold on. Give me a second. Live 2. Confirm. Hey, Landon, you there?
Hello?
Hey, I'm listening to you, buddy. You're Hardin Jefferson, right?
I am.
There you
Hey,
go.
I am.
first of all, let me thank you for sending me all those results from East Texas, man. You really helped me out this year, buddy.
Oh, no problem. I like sending the results to you. I
Hey,
like what you do. It's awesome.
hey, so tell me, man. Tell me about Hardin Jefferson's team. What's your chance? You all advanced to state in number sense?
I advanced individually, and we are going as a team in science, though. But I am going individually for number sense, and I'm super excited about that.
What place were you in the region?
I was third, so I like barely got by. But
Hey.
hopefully, I can boost my score by the time state comes around.
Absolutely. So what's
So
your
what grade
plan?
level?
What's your plan?
Oh, for state?
Yeah, well, how are you going to practice? What's your plan? Yes, exactly.
Oh, I'm taking tests like crazy. I did really dumb mistakes on the regional test, and I feel like everyone says that. But I literally missed number 1 and 2, so I just was not having the best day. But I'm still happy that I made it to state, so hopefully I can just learn how to add and subtract numbers for number 1 at least. But yeah, I'm just trying to look forward to making less mistakes because there are some questions I just didn't read fully and I missed them. But yeah, Salato's in our region and they're just a powerhouse. They just destroy. So I was really excited to break the Salato line in the placements because they got like 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and I snuck in and got third. So I'm super excited about that.
Congratulations, man. I couldn't be. Hey, is your hair combed? You can put it on your camera if you want.
My camera actually doesn't work, but if it did, I would. I swear.
No problem, no problem. Hey, congratulations, Landon. I'm so happy for you, man. You've been working towards this. I know you've been working towards this. And
Oh, totally.
I plan to go to state. And I hope that I can see you, and I hope I can shake your hand, and I hope our paths cross, buddy.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It's gonna be a lot of fun. Hey, thank you for all the support, buddy, man. I really appreciate you.
Yes, sir. Thank you for doing all these live streams. I think it's awesome. I like seeing all the results across the state.
Hey, well, it's all about you guys. You all guys put in the work. You all work hard, man. You all deserve a little bit of a spotlight on y'all, man. It's about time we put the spotlight on these kids that work hard. What do you think, Peter?
Oh, definitely. They work all year. They deserve it.
That's right, man. So, hey, we're just doing what's the right thing to do. Put the spotlight on these math and science kids and these kids that work hard. So, Len, you got anything else for us? Any more comments?
Not really. I'm just excited because I am a senior and this is my first year at state, so I'm just looking forward to it.
Hey, I'm excited for you, buddy. Congratulations, man.
Thank you. Thank you.
Congratulations. All right, buddy. We're going to go back and we're going to finish this off by...
It's good that it worked this time.
Hey, it worked. So now let me find out how to hang this up, man. No, let me hang up. Disconnect. All right, cool. All right, so we're going to go through 5A and 6A. And I know that you're in the library, so if they kick you out, I understand, Peter.
Yeah, I think I got like 10 more minutes.
All right, so let's. I'm going to try to go to the 5A and 6A results. I'm going to go to presentation monitor. And if not, I'm going to have to finish this solo. But you know I appreciate you, Peter. 100% appreciate you. You give such great insight. So 5A number sense. 5A number.
Hey, Landon said he was a senior.
That's what he
right?
said, man. He made it to state as a senior. Isn't that awesome?
That's awesome. That's good.
Man, that makes you feel so good when a kid works hard. Hey,
Definitely.
5A number sense, man. Justin Lee is just a beast, man. He's just a beast.
Oh man, he had the highest score in the whole state.
355, first place. Nathaniel Pumala from Flower Bluff, second place.
Freshman. Nathaniel's a freshman.
Eric Tong from Grapevine, third place. Agnev Sarkar from Heritage, fourth
Another
place.
freshman.
Hey,
Agnev
Kyun Hung Sho, our guy from Sherilyn. Hey, I hope they give me a team interview, man. I'd like to see what these guys from Sherilyn have to say, man. Aiden Gerser in sixth place. All right, you got to watch out for Aiden, man. Aiden Gerser makes his way up the ladder, man. You can't count him out. You cannot count this guy out, man.
He hadn't advanced in all 3 events. So.
Hey, and Neo Ahero, man, right there too. Neo Ahero from Nacogdoches, friend of Texas Math Mundo. So that's a good group. Kyle Shu from Tony.
There's a couple upsets.
5A, man, you could just list like the first 20 names, it feels like, and they're all powerhouse. These guys, Tony Wang, Kyle Shu, Neo Ahero, Aiden Gerser, Q Hun Show. There's just power after power, man. All right, let's go to team score. 5A number sense. Flower Bluff. Holy cow. First place.
Dominant.
Region 4 champions. Region 2 champions, Highland Park. And the wild card comes from Region 2, Heritage Frisco. Region 1 champ, Grapevine, all punching their ticket to state. And we got to travel down to 13th place, College Station High School. College Station, the Region 3 champions, punching their ticket to state. So Region 3, Class 5A, sometimes that we've struggled a little bit. That's where I've been in the last 2 years. Now I'm in 6A, but I've been in Region 3, 5A the last few years. So there you go.
Yeah, there's 6A is so strong in Region 3, but Region 5 is, I don't know, they're falling back a few.
I've been there the last couple years. That's the only reason we went to state. Although we won it in 2019 with Wisdom. We won
That's
it.
right.
So, all right, guys. So let's go to 5A calculator. But Justin Lee, man, what a beast. What a beast. What a stud. 5A calculator. Who do we got here? Ooh, Kyung Hoon Show. Just talked to him on the Discord. We just talked to him. Kyung Hoon, congratulations, man. I should have gone through these results first. I would have really congratulated you. Maybe I'll come back. Maybe he's still in the Discord when we go back. First place from Sherilyn. Second place, Zachary Rogers from Hallsville. Third place, Derek Lee, man, not far away from Sherilyn Pioneer. Derek Lee, a friend of Texas Math Mundo, and your student, by the way.
Yes, sir.
Victor Nava, we just finished talking to him. Fourth place from Sherilyn. Katia Villalba. Hey, Katia, man, I want to get you on the show. Maybe we can get you and the Sabine girls or something. That would be nice. And Daniel Ramirez from Sherilyn Pioneer. And then Wiley. Aiden Gerser, Vincent Mercado, Dylan Mukatira. Wow, Kyun Hoon Show, man. All right, buddy. Let's take a look at the team. Sherilyn Pioneer, first place. Sherilyn Rattlers, second place. Wow, both from Region 4. Abilene Wiley, not too far behind. Region 1 champions. All of them punching their ticket to state. Conateal got shut out. Oh, Conateal.
They made a strong push. They came up a lot of points. They just fell a little short.
Hey, let me applaud Ricardo Medina over there, man. Medina is a legendary coach. Medina, if you're listening to me, I need to put you on my show. I have mad respect for you. You've been doing it for years. The Conateal coach has been doing it for years, man. So
I know Ricardo helped them out also. I saw him at TMSA State. Their state champion from a couple years ago.
Oh, Corona. Ricardo Corona.
Yeah.
Absolutely. I got a video with him. I got a video with him. Yeah, he's an excellent young man. Now, he's scary because he wants to come back and coach. He wants to come back and coach.
Well, he was helping them out. I talked to him at TMSA State. He's a good kid.
That's love, man. That's love when a student comes back and feels connected to your team like that. I love that.
Yeah.
All right, and then Flower Bluff, let's see what we got. So we got 1, 2, 1. Hallsville, Region 2 champion. And Wisdom, punching their ticket to state, Region 3, man. Bruno Santana, Paul O, Amir Jank. I know this team because I've coached them the last few years. Wisdom, I know they're the last place team to make it, but still, I still love them. You know what I'm saying? Wisdom High School, Bruno Santana, Paul O, Amir Jank. I love these guys. Good guys.
I mean, it's great because it just builds. Next year, they'll be even better.
Yes. All right, guys. All right. So that was Calculator 5A. So let's go to Math 5A. Justin Lee from Highland Park with 334. Arjun Vikram, Science Engineer Magnet. You said they're moving down classification?
Yeah, they're going to 4A next year.
Wow. Andrew Lee from Highland Park. Eric Tong from Grapevine. Derek Lee's in the mix from Sherilyn Pioneer. And then top 6, Aiden Gerser. And then Tony Wang not far behind them. Some top names up here in mathematics. Some top names.
Highland Park's going up to 6A. Justin Lee had the highest number sense score and math score of anybody.
Hey, and that math score was tough. That math test was tough. And look at he's breaking a 334.
He answered all of them, missed 2. That's hard to beat.
He's unreal, man. Justin Lee's just unreal. I got to meet him at Team USA State, so that was a real pleasure. He seemed like a real nice, humble kid. You know?
Now Andrew Lee got third. He's a freshman in no relation to Justin though.
Wow, man. Highland Park, man. Hey, but Highland Park's going to 6A.
They're going to 6A where they belong.
With the big A, with the big dogs, man. So that's going
With
to
the
be
big dogs.
Interesting. So first place, Highland Park, clear favorites in mathematics. Science Engineering Magnet, Region 2 champion. Oh, no, the Region 2 wild card behind Highland Park, but they punched their ticket to state. Region 1 champion, Lubbock. And Region 4 champion, Sharyland Pioneer. And then Region 3, A&M Consolidated High School. A&M Consolidated. They've had some strong teams in the past, like the early 2000s, late 90s. So it's good to see them do well. Good to see them.
It seems like they'll have really good individuals, and then they'll build a team around them. So it's been a while since they've had,
yeah, it's been a while.
3 strong. Yeah.
In my early years, I remember College Station, College Station has some decently strong teams, but A&M Consolidated. I forgot the name of the coach. They had a really legendary coach there for a long time in the early 2000s, late 90s. Forgot his name. Oh, crap. All right, so that's mathematics. And let's look at science. Science 5A. Is that a Highland Park show?
Yes. Their math score, I think, was the highest in all the land, and possibly their science too.
Justin Lee, man, 280. He won science. Boy, he's incredible. Maverick McCown from Ryder High School, second place. Luke Ting from Highland Park. Tyler Kim from Lubbock. Michelle Jing from Highland Park. And Joyce Jang from Highland Park. They look untouchable, man, in science. Highland Park looks untouchable. So Highland Park, first place with 770. They look untouchable in math. They look untouchable in science. Highland Park, man.
What they're trying to do is beat Flower Bluff for that number sense title, and they're getting close. They're getting real close. So that'll be a good battle at state.
All right, Lubbock, Region 1 champion. And then the wild card goes to Ryder from Region 1, shutting out Liberty Frisco. Region 3 champion, Friendswood. That's a nice affluent area. I don't live too far from there. And Region 4 from Champion High School in Bernie. So Friendswood has had some decent teams throughout the years, but it's been a while since they've been able to compete at the top level.
Well, I know they've won sweepstakes in the past. They're a good school overall.
Yeah, it's a good school.
So
it's an affluent area. It's a little landlocked now, but they've had some good stuff over the years. Friendswood has.
True.
So, all right, that's 5A. What do you got to say about 5A?
5A is very competitive. It's hard to make it to state. Everybody that made it to state, it's still going to be a battle. So, we'll see what happens.
Let's see what happens, man. Let's see what happens. All right, 6A. 6A, man. 6A number sense. This is our last one. Big dogs here. Justin Lai, friend of, I was at the regional one. And, let me tell you something. The Clements kids took advantage of me, man. They beat me at chess. Justin
did they?
Dylan Patel, Rich Wang, Ariane, they took it to me in chess, man. They took it to me in chess. Oh, well. Justin Lai from Clements Sugarland, Dylan Patel. Hey, but they switched. Justin Lai beat Dylan right now. What an incredible story. Christopher Hope from Seven Lakes.
He made it.
Reyes Garcia from Edinburgh Vela. That's another kid I want to see at state. Reyes Garcia. I've been calling your name all year at state. I want to say hi to this guy.
Yeah, they didn't go to Team SCA State.
No,
But,
I want to see this guy. I want to say hi to Reyes Garcia. Jacob McPherson from Allen High School in 5th place. And Krishan Gupta from Westbrook. There you go. Top 6 in number sense. But Justin Lai, Dylan Patel, Clements looks almost untouchable, man. Rich Wang and Arian Aurora take up the top 10. So how much did they win by? 894, man. 900. It's like over 200 points. They're ridiculous. Hey, I appreciate you stepping out into the dark to be with me, man.
Tomorrow?
Clements High School, Region 3 champions, and they looked as a clear-cut favorite. Allen High School, Region 1 champions. Tomball Memorial, Region 2 champions. Dulles Sugarland makes the wild card. Awesome from Dulles Sugarland, man. I know the coach over here, Dr. Wren. She's a really sweet lady. Katy Seven Lakes gets shut out, being the third place team in the region. And Edinburgh Vela, Region 4 champions, punching their team to state. Hey, Edinburgh Vela, is that Reyes Garcia? Probably. All right. So, that's number sense 6A. Let's go to calculator 6A. Calculator 6A. Cassie Mai gets a 315, first place. Vincent Nguyen from Marcus, I've called that name. He's incredible. Justin Lai, third place from Clements. Wow, Justin Lai. Reyes Garcia from Edinburgh Vela. Eric Lee from Elkins. And Naveed Ahmed from Elkins. And this was a nail biter for wild card. This was a nail biter for wild card. So let's go here. I think we lost Peter. That's all right. We got it here. 6A calculator. First place, Marcus, Region 1 champions with an 805. Tied with North Shore, by the way. So Region 3 champions. But look how close Elkins was. Man, Elkins right on the heels of North Shore. 2-point difference. But Elkins, as the wild card, punches their ticket to state. PSGA, Region 4 champions. Edinburgh Vela gets shut out because they don't make wild card because Elkins made wild card. And we can travel down to Region 2 for Klein Oak, punching their ticket to state in calculator. So that's going to be a nail biter. That's going to be interesting. It's going to be interesting to see how 6A calculator. I'll be there. I'll be watching. I'll be applauding for everybody. Hey, Naveed, the Elkins team. I applaud you. Congratulations on wild card, buddy. Congratulations on wild card. All right. So we go to 6A mathematics. 6A mathematics. Oh, Klein Kane, 280. Calvin Shue. Seven Lakes, second place. Christopher Ho. I've called his name a couple of times. Eric Lee from Elkins. Wow. Clements, Dylan Patel. From Allen. Warith Rahman. And then Vincent Nguyen. I've called this Vincent Nguyen kid. He's really, really smart. And then 7th and 8th place go to Clements with Rich Wang and Justin Lai. Let's take a look at what the team did. The team, hold on. I think he wants to get back in here. I hope he gets back in here. Let's hope. The team, first place from Clements High School to 732. But I'm telling you, Allen is right on the heels of Clements. That Region 1, man, they're right on the heels of you guys, Clements. Allen High School, the Region 1 champions. Elkins, again, wild card in calculator, wild card in mathematics. Congratulations, Naveed and gang. And Seven Lakes, unfortunately, gets shut out, being the third team score. Seven Lakes gets shut out. Region 2 champions, Tomball Memorial. Tomball Memorial, something's happening good over there. And Region 4 champions, Reagan High School from San Antonio. Rounding out the top 5 teams. Hey, Peter, you there? Are you with us?
Yeah, I'm connected to my tablet. So.
Hey, I appreciate you, man. I'm talking. I'm pretty impressed with Tomball Memorial out of Region 2, man. They've been coming strong. Hey, but Clements and Allen, it's a battle. And you know Elkins is not that far behind.
Yeah, for that math.
Elkins is my sentimental favorite. That's my underdog story. Those are the guys I'm pulling for as the underdog.
They've come a long way all year. They from December to now, they've been putting in work. They want it. I wouldn't be surprised if they take it at state.
Hey, calculator, they're in the mix. Mathematics, they're in the mix. They're my sentimental favorites, the underdogs. No, I'm not going to lie. I got to know the Clements team, so I feel a little connected to those guys too. We had a good time at Region, so it's hard to root against them. But just because it's sentimental and the underdog, it's hard to not be an Elkins fan right now, an Elkins Knight. By the way, my little sister graduated from Elkins, so Elkins, it runs in the family.
Is that right?
Yeah, she graduated.
I don't know. I remember Elkins when Damon Birch was there and they beat us, so I kind of
Oh, you
I'd
have a
rather
bone to
have
pick with
somebody
them.
else. But oh yeah, so but that's they deserve it though this year. They put in the work. They got Eric Lee, who's going to be there for a while. He's a freshman, I believe, freshman or a sophomore.
Hey,
So they'll be.
while I'm at it, while I'm thinking about it, let me shout out the coaches. You know, Garcia from Clements High School. You know, Roberto
Okay.
Garcia from Clements High School, or Ricardo or Roberto, but Garcia from Clements High School. Elkins, Will Corrington. Will Corrington
Mr.
needs a shout out, man. He's been keeping that team together for decades now. Lizanne Ward, another legendary coach in computer science from Elkins. So that Elkins coach group needs to have a shout out towards them. I wish I knew the
Definitely.
Allen coach, Paul Stroud from Katy Seven Lakes, and those group. They have a good group. They hosted an excellent region. So, all right, let's close this out with 6A Science. 6A Science. Who we got? Ariane Bora, first place from Clements. Rashiel Shaw. Now, Rashiel Shaw, I got to meet him in region. Excellent. A very humble young man. From Dulles High School. Klein High School. Coleman Hall Brown in third place. Klein Kane. Calvin Shue in fourth place. Vincent Wynn. I'm very impressed with this Vincent Wynn kid. I've called his name out several times. From Marcus Flower Mound.
Oh, from Marcus Flower Mound.
Hey,
I
Carnegie Vanguard.
wonder if he's a senior.
What's that?
I wonder if he's a senior. I don't remember seeing him last year.
I'm kind of curious. Vincent Wynn, man. Vincent Wynn. Jeffrey Key from Carnegie Vanguard. Carnegie Vanguard in the house. All right. That rounds up our top 6. Let's take a look at the team score for science.
Dulles Clements.
Dulles, man. Dulles. Rashiel Shaw carrying that Dulles team, man. 726. Clements High School, 648. That's first and second from Region 3. And then the first Region 1 champion, Allen High School. Dawson gets shut out in Region 3. And they had a good team. You know, I have to applaud that Dawson team. They had a good science team this year. They had a good science team, that Dawson team. Region 4 champions, Reagan High School. And then Region 2 champions, Midway High School from Waco.
Hey, Reagan High School, they won math in Region 4 too, right?
Hey, man, yes, they did. Hey, Reagan High School needs some applause here. San Antonio
Yeah,
Reagan,
they're doing-
Houston Reagan too.
Yeah, they're doing good work too. So, congrats.
Yes. Wow, good stuff. All right, so 6A, man, what do you got to say about it?
I like the calculator battle. I mean, you have the top 4 teams all within 7 points of each other. That's going to be fun to watch. Number sense, math, Allen with Clements. That's gonna be fun to watch too. So
Cool.
I mean,
Clemens clear favorite. Clemens clear favorite in number sense, but in math,
Yeah,
Allen is on their heels.
yeah, math is gonna be a little closer, and anyone can win individually too. So it's gonna be fun to see that Christopher Ho from Seven Lakes. I mean, he can do good, and the other kid from Klein Oak, Kelvin.
That's right.
So,
Hey,
I mean, it's anybody's game.
and
We've got 2
literally,
weeks.
and also figuratively, the wild card, Elkins High School is a wild card. They're not too far behind the calculator. They're not too far behind in math. That Elkins High
They're
School
right there.
is a wild card in all senses of the word.
They're right there. I mean, 2 weeks till state. That's kind of tight. So anything can happen. We'll
They're
see.
my sentimental
Whoever puts in the
favorite
work.
guys, man. They're my sentimental favorites, man. So
It'll be nice to see who pulls it up.
Christopher Ho, Justin Lai, Dylan Patel, Rich Wang, Ariane Bora, Ariane Aurora. So there's a lot of great names in 6A too, man. There's a lot of great names, man. So, all right, let's check out the...
Cassie Mai also for Matt.
Oh, Cassie Mai and calculator. That's right, man. I forgot to mention the North Shore team. And Don Kirby's been doing it for decades. Don Kirby deserves a shout out.
Definitely.
So, let's take a look at that chat, man. Let's take a look at that chat. Let's see what we got on the chat here. Let's see. What we got? Man, we got it. They blew up our chat here. I love it when they blow up our chat. What we got? State bound number sense. All right, that's where I left off. My nephew, man. All right, cool. Landon Morial. We can hear. Awesome. Good luck to you, dude. Antonio Ajero signed me in. Antonio is a class act, class kid. Neo. Antonio, and let's take a look. Wisdom High School, powerhouse. All right. Kung Ho Show is still in Discord room. All right, all right. Naveed. Talking a little mess here. All right. Well, we got a little trolling going on. Just a little bit of trolling. Hey, Allen High School. John Tian from Allen High School. Hey, I'm glad you chimed in. I was hoping to get an Allen High School kid in here. Allen High School chimed in. Yeah. Hey, send me a note, man. I can interview that Allen School. I haven't had much Region 1 connection. So, Allen High School, John Tian. I'm happy he chimed in. Ariane Bora, wow, it's a great thing. Clements High School math team is working super hard. Grinding 10 tests every day. Dylan Patel, I heard Clements is practicing every day. Justin Law, yeah. So, all right. We got a lot of talk. Region 3 talk. Let's take a look. Okay, so Asia Bomb, baby, if you're on 5A, you're crazy. I agree. Kyung Kyung Show, John State Champs. All right, let's take a look at what's on the Discord. Let me get that Discord going. All right, so let's see. Anybody in Discord? All right, we got Johan, Nava, Sexy Beast still on. Let's see if they're still on. Let's see what they got to say. Let me get in there. Hey, guys, you're on.
Hello?
Hey, you there?
Yeah.
Sir.
All right. Hey, Kyung Hyun Show, you there? Kyung Hyun Show.
I'm here, sir.
Congratulations, man. That's an incredible score.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hey, I was so impressed, man. So impressed. That Sherilyn team did quite well, gentlemen. Now let me congratulate. Hey, who's your coach? Give a shout out to your coach.
Mr. Nava, sir.
Nava.
Best coach in the state.
Nava.
Best coach.
Who's the best coach? Say it one more time.
Mr. Nava.
Mr. Jose Nava.
Really? All right. So congratulations to Mr. Nava. Congratulations to the Sherilyn Rattler team. Hey, so did y'all talk it over? Y'all gonna give me an interview or what?
More than likely.
More than likely. Let's make it happen, man. Let's make it happen sooner than later.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sooner than later, man. And hey, 2 more weeks till state. Work hard. Do what you think. I wish you the very best. Okay, gentlemen?
All right.
Yes, sir.
Oh, wait, sir. We have a question.
Yeah.
What's your prediction for state, like for 5A?
5A. Isn't that Argyle country?
I'm sorry.
No, Argyle's 4A.
Argyle's 4A. Oh, so state 5A. Let me think.
Wow.
There's a lot of strong schools. Hey, Peter, chime in. Who do you predict for 5A state?
Number sense, probably Flower Bluff,
Yeah.
Highland Park
Highland
for
Park.
math, Highland Park for sure in math and science.
That's the wrong answer.
Yeah. It's gonna be us.
Hey, Sherilyn say that's the wrong answer. It should be Sherilyn. What do you think?
I don't think Sherland made it in math or science, but yeah, sure, why not?
Hey, well, let's see what y'all do, man. Let's see what y'all do. Y'all made it in what? Y'all made it in calculator, is that right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Calculator and number sense?
Individual. That's it.
All right, okay, well, hey, best of luck to you all. I like your energy. I think you all got something special going on. I congratulate you all, and send me a note, man, on the Discord or something. Let's make that team interview happen. I like to see what you all do and share your story a bit. You know, you all made it to state. Congratulations, very powerful.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
So, what's your
Huge
prediction? Your
answer.
prediction is Sherilyn?
Obviously.
Obviously. All right, gentlemen. Hey, anything else, gentlemen, before we call it quits?
Sir, can we get good luck from you?
Hey, you can get an extra good luck. And not only that, when I see you in state, I'll give you a high five, I'll give you a fist bump, and I'll give you a handshake, man.
Okay, all right, better. Thank you.
You got more than a good luck for me. I wish you well, man. The Sherilyn Rattlers, man. I wish you well, gentlemen.
Thank you, sir.
All right,
Thank you,
guys.
sir.
Y'all take it easy, okay?
You too.
Bye,
Bye bye. I'm glad. Hey, thank you for calling in. Thank you for calling in.
Yeah,
It
no
was a
problem.
pleasure.
We wanted
Bye-bye.
this.
All right. So before we end this all, Peter, I have to say, everybody, if you enjoy this material, hit the subscribe button. Let's blow this channel up. Subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Hit the like button and make a comment. It all helps out with the YouTube algorithm. And wasn't this fun, Peter? Was this fun or was this fun?
Oh, this is always fun for me.
This is fun. This is joyful. Let's spread this out to as many people throughout the state as possible. I want to blow this up. Let's get everybody to join the Discord. The Discord, hey, have you noticed the Discord? There's a little bit of trolling going on, but there's a lot of math going on. Have you noticed?
Yeah, those kids like to have fun, so
It's all
more
good,
power
makes
to
it
them. Oh yeah, it's all good and fun.
fun. Hey, one more live stream left. When is state? When is state? What's the date? May 6th?
6th and 7th, I believe. Number sense is on Friday, and math and calculator on Saturday.
All right, so that means on the 8th, on the 9th, Monday the 9th, we're going to live stream?
I'm working nights, so it's gonna be hard for me to live stream.
I feel you. I do feel you, man. We'll see what we can do, man. I do want to have a live stream to shout out all the state champions, you know? So
Yeah, that'll be fun.
that'll be fun. Hey, let me know, man, because you add to this live stream. You have expertise, you have knowledge, you have passion, and I really appreciate your input always, man. Always.
I love being on here. It's
Hey,
fun.
man. Awesome. Peter Fuentes. Awesome, Peter Fuentes. Do you have any final words or parting words before we hang this up?
Just good luck to everyone at state. I know everyone's working hard. Everyone's taking tests. Hopefully everyone does their best. Hopefully nobody has any regrets, and maximize your potential. Get those personal best scores if possible.
Hey, I know it's going to sound cliche, well, first of all, congratulations to those that made it to state. Congratulations. More power to you. I'm so proud of you. But you know who I want to address right now, Peter? Those who lost.
Who's that?
Those who did not make it to state. I want to say, it's about the journey. You've grown a lot. Let the failures fuel your fire. Start working hard. Make it a goal for next year. Make it a goal for next year. So if you didn't make it to state, that's okay. Take a moment, applaud the state champions, pay attention to the state meet, and good luck to you guys, and let failure fuel your fire, because it's not really failure. When we all excel through competition, we all win. So,
True.
Remember to subscribe, guys. Hit the notification bell, make a comment below, and I really appreciate you guys. Peter, I appreciate you.
Appreciate you too, so it's been great.
All right. So we're going to close this out with my music. Farewell, Peter. Farewell. All right,
See you at
bye-bye,
state.
guys.